Amazon Prime Day deals start July 8th and they run through July 11th. Some of these deals you can already start getting. I wanted to give you guys a whole list of some of my favorite packing, travel, staying organized while you're on the go essentials. Okay, all right, so let's dive right into it. Here are some of my favorite things that, like I said, you can snag some really good deals during these Prime days. I will link either a specific product or just kind of like the general, this is the idea of it, and you can find it. Anyways, you guys know how to use links. Anyways, all right, let's go. This is the perfect time to get those packing compression cubes you have been wanting to try. I've said something about these before, but if you are looking for some kind of packing cube, make sure it's the type that you want. If you want a compression one, I will link to some of these. Or if you're just looking for a general packing, basically organizer cube, not all of them, I've said this before, not all of them are compression. So depending on what you want, regardless of what you want, you should be able to snag some really good deals. But this also, if you do not have a toiletry bag that has a hanging hook, perfect for like those small hotel bathrooms where there's not a lot of space, perfect for, your in-laws' house if they don't have a lot of space, or your brother-in-law's house if you're, crashing with him, whatever. Perfect time to get one of those as well. A lot of times they have like waterproof compartments, so it's not just, you can put your toothbrush in there, or if you accidentally get something wet, it's not going to just fall apart, ruin the whole thing, whatever. An electronic organizer case. I absolutely love these. If you are the type of person who has a lot of cords, of course, the fewer devices and the fewer things you can travel with at once, the better. But also I get it. If you're going on a road trip or you're going on a long trip, anything like that, you're going to have multiple cords. You're going to have multiple electronics that you're carrying with you. You're going to have your phone. Maybe you have a smartwatch. Maybe you have your Kindle or, electronic reader. All these things have cords, and they're not always the same cord, right? So a case like this is perfect to just keep them divided so that you're not like untangling a jumbled mess, all of that. And these ones specifically are waterproof, so it's really great. All right, so if you are planning for like a long car trip or a flight, you gotta have some kind of neck pillow. Now there are all different kinds that people swear by. I have tried everything from like an inflatable to a one that just the old school one, just with the foam beads or whatever. I've tried the turtle one that is like supported. It feels like you're wearing a neck brace. So here I'll just list a couple of them that have good deals going right now. And it's personal preference, right? So something that I may like, you may not like. Oh, and I've tried the one where it inflates and you just like lay down on it in front of you. So it's personal preference. I'm going to link to some, but it's a perfect time to grab one of those if you don't have one. Because it's one of those items, right? Either we forget it at home or we like forget it on the plane. And then we're like using a sweatshirt to kind of like prop up, and you get to your location and your neck's cricked, whatever. Your neck is hurt, right? Just invest in something. I think you'll enjoy the investment. All right, a couple other things while you're on the go. Having some type of stain remover is really, really nice. You're traveling, say you spill something on you or your kids spill something, you can't wash it off right away. Having like a Tide pen or something like that, or like the Tide wipes on the go are really, really nice. Another thing while you are traveling is some laundry detergent wipes. Okay, so this is if you are traveling and you want to plan to wash your clothes in the sink or wherever, I don't know, freshwater source, having these instead of trying to of course you're not going to lug like a huge thing of detergent. So having some of these wipes are really great for when you get to that spot and you don't want to pack as much. Also, disinfectant wipes. Have to travel with them. So nice to have, whether you're flying, whether you're driving, you're on a train, you're on a boat, whatever, you can always use these. Wipe them on your hands, wipe them on the seats, wipe them on anything you're going to be touching. It just helps me feel better, at least mentally. Also a perfect time if you have not invested in TSA approved travel size bottles that you can reuse. Highly, highly, highly recommend doing that at this time. There's all sorts of ones. You can get the silicone, like soft ones. You can get the hard plastic ones, all sorts of ones. The ones I have are the harder ones. They have stickers that say exactly what everything is, so you don't have to worry about creating your own labels or writing on it with permanent marker. It's great because trying to buy the mini travel items of things is expensive. Okay. Also a perfect time to buy the portable charger, the portable bank, battery, whatever bank you want to call it, for your devices. Perfect time to, sometimes these can be a little bit more expensive, but I'm going to link to some that I like. Do your own research. I like the Anchor product ones. They've got really good reviews. I personally have liked them. I would give it a go. Okay, so then you can, if you have a wireless, phone that wirelessly charges, you can put it on there or you can plug in. So again, there's all different kinds. A lot of them have multiple plugs. See what you need, but it's a great thing for traveling. It is definitely an essential of mine, and it's a great time to get a good deal on one. This is something fun that I do not have yet, but it's something I'm going to be looking into. If you're taking a flight and your flight has screens and they either use the old school, plug-in headphones where the flight attendants come by and they pass them out to you. If you want to use your personal Bluetooth ones, they now have an adapter. You can plug it in and use your own headphones. Love this idea. All right, you guys hear me harp on reusable water bottles in like all of my travel videos. This is a perfect time to buy a new one, a collapsible one, or maybe if some kind of one that is really meant to keep your drinks cold because it's the dead of summer. What am I trying to say? Like a metal one, what I'm trying to say. If our water bottles, they have lasted, but they also get so beat up just from life, right? So if you are in the same boat where yours are kind of getting a little beat up, or maybe you lost one, you don't have one, your kids don't have one, whatever, perfect time to grab one. Really good deals. This is also something that I cannot personally say that I have used, but I know a lot of people highly recommend, swear by them. It is some kind of luggage tag, a tracking tag, whether it's an Apple AirTag or the Tile tags. Perfect time to find something like that. Of course, this is like if you're flying, right? You're not going to, hopefully your bags don't get lost on a road trip. But you just never know. I just feel like my trust with the airlines goes up and down, even though they have the numbers and all of that. And you should be able to track it within the app. If it provides you that piece, that extra piece and extra, just feeling secure, then I highly recommend looking into these. Also, you don't have to just use it for when you're traveling in your luggage. If you're the type of person that like loses their purse all the time, put it in your purse, or, misplaces something, or maybe you put it with your kids' stuff. I know a lot of people that use it on their kids' stuff just in case they lose it or something, just heaven forbid, something happens, then you can have that and you can have it tracked. Also, if you are constantly flying and your bag is overweight and you're the person in the airport digging through it, trying to put your stuff in another bag, trying to give it to your travel mate, all that, maybe investing in a digital, a luggage scale this is a great time for that. Another thing you can look at buying is a portable door lock, especially if you are traveling by yourself. It's just a little bit extra security, and it's the cost for that extra security and like the footprint of what you have to travel with. It sometimes may be really nice and necessary. So it's like a portable door lock, just adds that extra layer of security for you. This is one of my favorite things. It is good for not only travel, but just day-to-day packing school lunches. If you have kids or if you just like to snack, getting some kind of snack like bento box, it's great. You can put a bunch of different stuff in there. Perfect for any kind of travel, car travel, plane travel. or like I said, I send these, you know, just like with lunches or with my kids' stuff for school as well. This is a great time to get a good deal on one of those. You guys also know that I love traveling with a little mini first aid kit. Again, this is great if you're in the car or if you're doing any kind of travel. Really, it's really nice to have. And if you are traveling via road trip in the car with kids, I definitely recommend one of these car seat organizers. Put all their stuff. It just makes life a little bit easier so you kind of know where everything is. Some kind of organizer for your car is a necessity. And even so, like even if your kids grow out of it and they're a little bit older and they don't have a car seat, some kind of organizer for your car, again, I'll link some, is paramount. You need that. All right, I could go on and on for hours about all the deals. So many. If you have any questions, maybe other things that I recommend, products that you're not sure about, I would be happy to voice my opinion, give you my own tidbits. Let me know what you're most looking forward to buying. Thanks for being here, please. Oh, also, I have another video. If you are also interested in home organizing, I have another video about Prime Day deals for home organizing products that I really love. So definitely check that out. Thanks for being here. Please share this with a friend. Talk to you guys soon.